What's up, everybody? All right, we're streaming.
What's up? All right, nice.
What's goody in the hoodie?
In the live?
You're in it? Is it actually up?
Yeah, it's up.
No way it's that quick, dude. That's crazy.
In the live?
That's crazy, actually. Dude, turn it off! Turn off my stream!
Yeah, I can make a double echo because I have like 2 monitors. I can make a triple echo.
And then it starts echoing off of the echo into your...
Yeah, I can make a double echo because I have like
No,
2 monitors. I can make a triple
stop.
echo.
And then it starts echoing off
No,
of the echo
dude, it's
into
now it's gonna
Yeah, I
echo,
can make a
echo,
double
echo.
because I have like
No,
2
stop.
monitors. No, I have it off. I have it
No.
off.
And then it starts echoing.
Off,
No,
dude.
dude,
Now it's gonna echo, echo.
it's
echo.
doing it. I hear it.
No, I have it off. Bro, that's your side then, because I have both mine. I have all mine on mute.
It's doing it. I No, it's still doing it. Off of yours, I think. Oh, wait. I'm stupid, bro.
Mine?
No, you're
Mine's
right.
all
You're
on you.
absolutely right. It was me.
Bro.
Interaction, increasing interaction, bro. No way. The goat. The goat,
Yeah,
bro.
W,
You see all these
dude,
fancy
W.
little buttons on the side, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, interaction.
Interaction. Increasing
Interaction
interaction.
back. Interaction back. Discussion.
Let's go.
Chatting.
Increasing interaction. Maxing out interaction.
Answer solved.
Dude, we are absolutely killing it.
We're killing it right now. We are killing it.
Absolutely killing
We're
it, dude.
killing it. It won't let me chat back to you in OBS. It just tells me the chat, but it will not let me chat back. That's so weird. That's such a that's so weird.
Yeah, dude, no way you got caught. I heard that, bro.
Alright, we got 3 watching.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Well, probably,
I'm just gonna let them all, funnel in,
yeah.
before we start discussing stuff. What should we start off with? What currency pair are we gonna start off with?
I guess the one that you're most familiar with, because you know the most, so.
We're doing the Aussie?
Yeah. I
Dang.
guess so.
Dang, son.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, wait, we should discuss what's happening here. We should discuss what's happening. Because this is gonna go on the actual channel. This isn't just...
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Keegan, I need your webcam turned on, bud.
Yeah, I don't actually have one.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't think I asked.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You have a
turning
phone.
it.
Yeah, I've seen your phone.
I mean, yeah, I have a phone. The only thing to prop it currently. Here, I'll prop it against the.
Yeah, just
I'm on Discord on my phone.
feel free to be shirtless too. No, that's fine. I'll just screen record it and
Oh,
crop it.
shirtless. Well, I mean, when you add that in,
I was actually
After-
joking. Yeah, I was actually just joking.
Oh, no, I was joking. Well, anyway, back to the stream. I feel like we've gone off topic already.
Whatever, man. This is a little catalog of our lives. Hey, Keegan, you gotta like the stream, bare minimum here, okay?
Okay, on all 3 of my accounts, I
On
like
all
this.
17 of the accounts, bro. Alright, welcome
So
everybody to the Traders Lounge. This is the first
Dude,
episode.
it's just me, bro. On 3
No,
accounts.
dude, I'm saying this, Keegan, I'm saying this for the YouTube video. Because this recording's gonna get saved and posted to the YouTube video.
Okay, well,
It doesn't matter if nobody's watching. It doesn't matter if nobody's watching.
We can edit that out, okay?
Why are you doxing me like that, bro? Why are,
I'm sorry.
all of
sorry.
my
I didn't
viewers
realize.
didn't know that. All of my viewers didn't know that. And now they think
Okay,
I'm
we're
just
gonna-
some chump, bro.
Dude, we're gonna edit that out. It'll be fine.
I can't edit it. I can't edit that out. I mean, it's over. I guess I'm done with YouTube.
Bro, no way.
Time to move to Kick, bro. Like, it's time to move
Here.
to Kick.
Here, I sent something for you. Go to the Discord real quick. Go to General and Forex Trading, and that will help you out.
I need your webcam, too, by the way.
That actually,
Keegan, I cannot believe you right now. I
Dude,
cannot.
look at the speaker, dude.
No,
That
yeah,
guy right
that
there.
is funny to me. That is funny.
It's ironic.
Uh, I'm gonna need your webcam too, by the way.
Okay, no. Uh, I
What if I buy you a webcam for the future installments?
yeah, that would work. I have my phone one, but that would be no good.
That's fine.
Dude, look at the background here. I don't have a good background, do I?
Dude, it's all right. We're like bum traders. That's fine. It fits in.
I don't have any. I can't prop it up against the monitor. So
No, you better prop it up because I'm literally about to share your entire screen to this entire world.
Dude, I have some personal information in the back right now.
Yeah, I really hope so.
Oh my god.
Oh, dude, there's your dog. Now everybody knows your dog exists.
Okay, we're gonna use a golf ball to hold this. Okay, we're gonna need something here a little bit heavier. Okay, we're gonna grab this here. A keyboard and a golf ball. It's holding my phone up right now.
Capture? No way, bro. It actually worked.
Nice.
Wait, how do you edit? Is it Alt?
I don't know, dude. I don't know.
Yep, it's Alt. It's Alt. It's Alt.
Okay.
Dude, you are on the stream now. Congratulations, buddy.
Nice.
Congratulations.
Very nice.
We can both upgrade to not garbage. But for right now, we're gonna deal with garbage.
For now, I like how I have Rocket League open in the back.
Dude, we could play Rocket League too. Who even cares, bro? We talk about trades while doing Rocket. You're not actually on the stream yet, by the way. Just so you're not stressing.
I'm on the stream on 2 accounts right now, bro.
No, I mean like you're not live. Like your video isn't.
Okay, yeah, bro. I need to get a cam first, bro. This is not presentable. You have to be like dressed up, bro, if you're gonna be trading.
I'm in a Louis Vuitton shirt.
Well, you're dressed up. I'm gonna have a stack of. You have a background like wall drop. I'm gonna use a like just shoe boxes and have them in my background like the Louis Vuitton and the Dior and stuff.
That's funny.
That'll be good.
Oh, dude, no way.
We're at
This is
3
awkward.
watching, dude.
3 watching? I gotta keep my Discord open on this one. This is so weird. Okay, wait. It's like, because I gotta stay open on Discord. I wish I had 4 monitors, dude. What the heck? I need more. I need more.
Dude, I got one on MAC for you.
Actually?
ONN, bro.
Oh, dude, I got that one in the back. Dude, I don't know. It's just not working. I guess you're just not gonna be...
Yeah, I'm sure there's a way to figure it out. I mean, like, I've seen other people have, like, just it set up like that.
Dude, what? Where'd it go? Where'd it go, dude?
Oh, what happened?
Dude, what'd you do? Why are you messing everything up?
What happened?
Dude, you turned off your thing, bro.
Oh, you want me to come back?
Yes, I want you to come back, bro. What?
Dang, dude, you're at 16 views on your other video. You see that?
LFG, baby.
You kind of popped off already, dude. You're kind of
Dude,
like
I'm really happy my
young
first
dude.
video is a 3-minute long video where nothing was discussed. Dude,
No,
I feel,
dude, you can just take that down.
feel obligated to take it down.
Yeah, you probably should. You already have 16 viewers though, so that's kind of
Oh.
impressive.
No, that's just bad, bro. I just don't want that. Oh, I already got
Wait,
2
dude.
likes on it. Aw.
You're about to surpass Liam, bro, in views. Wait, that's kind of weird, actually. How many views does he have on that one video?
I think he has a good bit.
He has 42, bro. You're at 16. You're almost half of him in like 21 minutes, and this video's been up for 2 weeks, so I think you're gonna pass him real quick. I think people
Dude,
are more
I'm down to
interested
2
in.
watching on the stream.
It's me on. It's me.
Dude, I know. It makes me sad. It's only 2 people. Well, I guess I'm not watching it anymore. Oh wait, yes I am. Oh. I don't know how to make this work. Maybe I shouldn't have started streaming.
Nah, it's fine.
It's tricky. Because I have to keep Discord open, or else your video won't update.
Okay.
But OBS takes up an entire screen. So here, I'm going to try to do this. Go to OBS. Oh, it works! She's alive.
Very nice.
Just going to delete this. Yeah, close. Okay, I think I got to do something to make this look a little bit better. Yeah, there we go.
Here,
Hey, come back into camera. Come back into camera. I need to see where I can.
I'm coming.
Come back, bro. Hurry up, dude. Hurry up.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Daddy, chill.
How about we do all this stuff like on a... Bro, how about we do all this stuff on like Monday through Friday, bro? We do like a Monday through Friday.
Say less, bro. Say less.
Like, but like Monday morning, like 8:30ish, bro. We hop on.
Okay, that's fine. We don't have project.
We don't have school.
No, we
project.
can't. We can't talk about that. We can't talk about that. That no longer exists in this realm. Do you understand?
Yeah.
No longer exists.
What are you talking about?
That's right. Okay. Now that our intermission has concluded, I need the Aussie, Papa. I need the Aussie, and I need it now. Okay. I think I finally worked out all the kinks here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
You're not even looking at the camera.
I'm looking directly at the camera right now. There's just a delay. There's a lag. I'm gonna play Rocket League through the reflection.
That's perfectly fine. That's acceptable. Alright, dude, I think I got everything working.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, we set these trades, dude. But we
Here,
do
you
the
want me to-
trading.
I'm gonna switch to our camera.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
What's up? It's the first time they've seen us now. Congrats. Oh, they can't even see you. That's awesome. Hey, everybody.
Oh, it's not working. They can't see me.
Yeah, because you're not sitting down.
Bro, I always have to be sitting now.
What's up, guys? Welcome to how to trade. No, welcome to Traders Lounge. This is the first installment in a series of many on learning how to do Forex. So congratulations for stumbling across this wonderful wealth of information. You're absolutely blessed to be here. And I'm absolutely blessed to have you here. Keegan, you got any words you'd like to say?
I mean, it's just a blessing, man. Remember, like, it's just a blessing.
It's a blessing. It's really a blessing.
Patience is key. You ask me, like, what do I do when I trade? Like, the main thing I would recommend.
Alright, guys. Keegan doesn't really trade. Keegan
No,
doesn't really know
seriously.
what he's doing. He knows a
No,
lot about low liquidity, OTC stocks. So if you got any questions about that, Keegan's the man.
That's, I mean, he's right. But no, but in all seriousness, when you're trading in Forex, like when people ask me all the time, like, how do I find success? How am I successful in Forex? Like, patience is key. People are trying to rush things, be greedy, just patience.
That's right. Spoken by the highly successful trader Keegan McGrath, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, just do my part.
He's just doing his part. So yeah, basically throughout this entire series, it will be a culmination of us discussing some trade ideas, breaking down the charts, trying to see what we're seeing, learning a little bit from each other, because obviously, you know, two heads are better than one. We're both gonna have experience in different kinds of environments and markets. So obviously, he's gonna bring something, even if it's very little, to the table.
Well, I feel like that was a bit targeting.
No, I'm just messing with you. And then I'm gonna bring a $60 Trading View subscription. All right, let's break down the Aussie, buddy. What are we seeing?
All right, we'll get into it. All right, so you want to go ahead and kick things off here because I feel like you're more familiar with the odds.
All right. Also, Keegan doesn't really know Forex. Keegan knows stocks. So I'm be teaching him a little bit about Forex. He's going to be teaching me more so stocks. So
yeah, no,
stock questions probably going to be more for him unless it's to deal with indicators. I think I know more about indicators. I know more indicators. You know a lot about a lot of indicators. Yeah, and then chart patterns, candlestick patterns, anything price action. Keegan is mainly a earnings report type trader, so he's a very fundamental analysis. I'm very technical, so it's kind of where our strengths lie there. Bam.
Bam, yeah. Different
Bam.
strengths, they come together and they allow us to like work together.
Yep. It's really the ideal is using a little bit of both, but I don't. And Keegan's hoping to use both. I really, I try to find strategies that are completely without any sort of fun. Well, not completely without, just irrelevant. It's regardless. I'm a little scared about Forex news just because there's a lot of sentiment that goes into Forex, being foreign currencies. Entire countries are kind of built on this, so they tend to be very, very picky about news events, but they don't move as much as stocks, which is nice. Very high liquidity. So, anyways, let's jump right into it. What are we looking at, Keegan? What kind of big events can we be prepared for?
All right, so I think for the main like big events, what I would say is, of course, in any
Feel
pair,
free to look them up. Obviously, you haven't had them memorized. Feel free to look up the events.
But I think
you don't have to try to BS, bro.
I think there's an
Forex
important...
traders like December 22nd. Oh yeah, December 22nd.
I think an important disclaimer is to note that like with any pair, like you can't actually know what happens. You can't predict 100% certainty what's going to happen. And so with this one, like I could say anything, and I could try like, give you a reason why I think I'm right, and anyone could like prove a point. So what's going to happen is, well, I would recommend to everyone, this is actually 100%, is that you want to short the Aussie.
1,000,000%, guys. You can't lose. No.
Yeah, no. So if you want like my own why I think you should short the Aussie, I can't really give you a reason for that. But...
well, maybe maybe like the 11-year long decline of the Australian dollar would help. You can really go back to 2011. It's kind of just been consistently going down. So
yeah, that is part of it, but I feel like there's more to the story. There always is more to the story.
There always is, Keegan. Very good. So it really, what you're looking for depends on your strategy. Strategies we'll be talking about mainly here is going to be mean reversion, which is basically just chart price separations from the 50-day moving average. You can also adjust that depending on what you're trading. Mean reversion works for any financial instrument. You can have stocks, indices, obviously Forex, really anything that can trade. Options. Commodities, everything kind of follows these same strategies. It's just you might require tweaking every now and then. For example, with forex and specifically with the Australian dollar pair, Australian like the Aussie comma dollar pair. It's pretty. It's not the sharpest moving. There's very high liquidity. It's the fourth most common traded currency pair in forex. So there's a lot of volatility, or not a lot of volatility, high liquidity. So you can really use a slower moving average. So for mean reversion, I use here. I'm just gonna actually add a 50-day. Let's see if I can just do this and get rid of the 200. Oh. Alright. So when you're looking at reversions, go to 50. I use a 50 EMA. You can also use a 50 SMA if you want. The fuck is length and smoothing? Shit. Who knows? 5 sounds good. Actually, I've never even seen that. What's the fuck that mean? It's EMA. Why is that? Okay, who cares? Anyways, I choose 5, apparently. So, I like to use 4 hour for my mean reversions. For mean reversion, you tend to use higher time frames more. They tend to give better results. Obviously, you're going to find a lot more separation in the smaller time frame you get to. And the market's closed, by the way, in case you were wondering why charts aren't moving. So for like the 1 minute, I mean, you're going to have these crazy big, or the 5 minutes, sorry. You're going to have these crazy big separations in here. But you can see, like, okay. Let's put a short here. So if you know anything about mean reversion, I'll break it down for you if you don't. If you don't know what mean reversion is, basically it's you're trying to catch price when it's farly deviated from the moving average, and you're gonna want to attempt to close the gap, because currencies typically, when they cross over the average, they typically come back a good bit, just because it's considered when it's above or below the moving average, it's deviating from what the price is actually worth. So, I'm just going to get rid of him. So whenever you have this huge separation between two moving averages, you can find an opportunity to put a trade in. So, if it's super overvalued, like it is right here, it's super overvalued because the moving average is really below it. There's big separation. You can attempt to play that gap and wait until it closes. Keegan, is your videos back on? Just let me know when it is. I don't really care. I just turned you off.
Yeah, no, is you have me off for a second because my phone's on like 2%. I actually need a webcam. I have to like to charge it. I can't prop it.
I also need to get a webcam, bro.
It has to be like it'll be just facing the ceiling.
Okay. Anyways, so you can see right here, trying mean reversion on a smaller time frame doesn't really work out as great, just because there's a lot of noise in smaller time frames. So this huge jump, I mean, you can't really attribute that to something that's going to retrace. You can just kind of attribute that to a move inside of a larger move. And that's why, I mean, this trade got stomped out. Oftentimes, you're going to have this crazy stop loss potential in a mean reversion. I don't. I like to keep everything 1-to-1 RR. And I've been having pretty good results with that in backtesting. Obviously, we're going to tweak that a little bit. I'm not quite ready to apply mean reversion, this specific strategy, to my live accounts. I'm going to use some form of it, but not the 1RR. I'm still kind of working with that one. But yeah, with a 5 minute, you can see it just doesn't really work. You got stomped out. I mean, you didn't even, this trade had no life. Like, there was no direction. There was maybe 30 minutes where you were in profit, the rest you were in drawdown. But if you look towards something like the 4-hour time frame, which is what I trade on, you can see there's a little bit better of a thing. So right here, this is where, I mean, it just sucks, but you're going to hit a loser. Preferably when you say these huge spikes, you would kind of change your strategy into more of a breakout strategy. Like constantly looking at the market in two different lenses, ready for breakouts and also ready for these consolidation periods. Because consolidation periods are where mean reversion works, and the reason why mean reversion works so well is because the market is often in consolidation. It's less breakout, it's less volatile as most people think, and the majority of the time the market's really just consolidating. So like right here, I mean, bam, that's consolidating trade. That's pretty textbook. So you hit it with a short all the way up here. You see that huge separation. Take profit where it's separated from the EMA. Hit it with a 1-to-1. I mean, it doesn't matter, but you can see easy win. Right here even. We'll see if this will have worked out with a 1-1. Ooh, shit. Would have. But I mean, like, you can even see it very often comes back. That's why a lot of people can even they have like 1-to-2 RR, which means they actually are their winners are smaller than their losers, but they just win so often because mean reversion. When done with very high risk and very low reward, not low reward, but just very high risk, it ends up having like a win ratio of around 90%. So right there you would have lost, right here you would have won. If you would have pyramided it, you would have been fine. Pyramiding is just having multiple orders, so this one would have been losing, this one would have been winning, kind of equals out to, okay, this one's winning, this one's, you know. Or even if you just didn't do that and just ate loss, took a win, it even out, it's 1-to-1. Right here, that's not really too big of a separation, but even if you wanted to, just because you saw a deviation, I mean, you hit a long right here when you try to catch it far away. There's not even a point where that's in the red, you know. Bam, it's easy. 1-1 win. So we're up 1 RR right here. It's down, you'd lose. Right here, you'd lose. Right here, you'd win. Right here, you'd win. You know, right here, hopefully you'd win because I have a trade open. Right here, you'd win. Right here, you'd win. Right here, you'd win. I mean, it's really, the hardest part is just finding, okay, let's not trade these trending periods. Let's trade these consolidating periods. Let's not trade these trending periods. Let's trade these consolidating periods. So, I mean, once you lose one trade, you can be pretty confident that it's starting in a trend. And if you're trading multiple strategies, that's a really good time to switch strategies. So, I mean, I'm trading blah, blah, blah. I win this one because of mean reversion. Cross back over. I trade this one. I lose it. Okay. Maybe let's look. Let's sit this next peak out, or let's just see if it's making a higher peak, and obviously it does. And I mean, it trends for 2 weeks. So I mean, these are periods where you either sit it out if you're solely mean reversion, or you just completely switch up your strategy, because you are pretty much never, if you're a safe trader, going to be able to catch this peak and ride it out over the wave, or catch this peak and, hey, it was the last peak. I mean, there's just no point to doing that. As soon as it starts trending, just stop your strategy. It's not meant for that. Same thing with breakout. Don't be trying to trade breakouts in periods of consolidation. Breakouts are, I mean, you could win breakouts up here, sure. Win breakouts right here. I mean, you even could have won a breakout right here, really, if you set a breakout right here. It broke out, came back, but your stop losses under here never got close, you know? So yeah, that's pretty much what you'd be looking for if the market is indeed consolidating right now, which, I mean, it's still making higher highs, but you can see it's getting real choppy. No big movement. I mean, this is the course of 2 days. You can see literally nothing happened. It pretty much closed exactly where it opened, which is pretty good. You can see right here you want to trade mean reversion. Right here you want to trade mean reversion. Mean reversion. This is still trending mean reversion. This is trending mean reversion all the way up here. Trending mean reversion. Trending. Even make right here would probably work for mean reversion. It'd be a very short time, so you'd probably miss it. But I mean, like right here, I mean, this whole thing is easily mean reversion on a 4 hour. So I mean, it looks like there's no opportunities on daily, or there's far and few in between opportunities, but you just gotta look at the 4 hour. The charts look completely different. Like right here, okay, now you see 14 different peaks and troughs where there was only 3. You know, so you got an input, Keegan?
I mean, you're explaining it really well, way better than I could ever explain it. So, I mean, not right now. Eventually.
Eventually. All right. So if we're looking for chart patterns on here, I'm whipping out the trusty dusty trading view. We're at a double top. We're also just coming off of a little upside down head and shoulders. Also coming off of a falling wedge. Also coming off of a double bottom. I mean, the majority of those, I feel like they've been hit. That was the little bullish push, I think, just in a overall bearish trend. If anything, I don't see it having much more G. So it's going into a period of consolidation right now, where mean reversion started working. You know, because I traded right here, started trading, because it got choppy. Started trading, I believe, right around here somewhere. Traded mean reversion and it ended up working. Let's actually see where I did. I think it was right here, just because there was no, it didn't push back, break out, it just broke straight down. So I put a mean reversion in here. Obviously, it won. I might have put a mean reversion down here. So I mean, it's really determining how far is a breakthrough and comeback for you. I don't have it far. I don't, because I think that's, periods of consolidation are low volatility. So you can't be prepping for these huge separations. You know, like this. Then what if you're in a trend? You know, so yeah, just trying to be particular about that. Anyways, if you're looking solely at chart patterns for price action, I mean, it's always confusing. It's really just, chart patterns are very, what you want to see, you'll see. So, I mean, if you want to see it going up, you'll only focus on the chart patterns. That's it, it's going up. If you only focus on going down, you're only going to focus on the ones that are pointing to bearish. So, I mean, it's kind of hard to pinpoint what the hell they mean. But, I mean, a double top, especially since the overall bearish trend, with a double top, right? I do not see this head and shoulders target getting hit. I think it's going to double top. It's just steam, I think, is fizzled out. I might be completely wrong. Well, who cares? Who cares if I'm wrong? You know, you're never going to be right, or you're never going to be wrong 100% of the time. Even if I'm an idiot, I could say the stupidest things and I'd be wrong once, and that one time being wrong might be enough to, you know, set me off the edge for the rest of my life. It's like kind of like GameStop. You could be really, really dumb and invest in very poor things and lose for your entire life, and then you happen to invest in GameStop because you were stupid, and then a lot of things happen that make you very wealthy. So, I mean, it doesn't matter. The market doesn't care about what you think. All you can really think about is, what are these little squiggly lines telling me? And hope that the squiggly lines tell you the right thing more often than they tell you the wrong thing. So, double top, I think it's just going to go into consolidation and go back down. It's just my belief. Candlestick patterns. Wow. Jack shit. Cool. Doesn't matter unless you're trading zones. I don't even want to get into that. I don't want to hop around a bunch of strategies. Do you have any questions, Keegan? Anything that
Yeah, I have a lot of questions.
All right,
Many,
hit me with
many
them.
questions.
Hit me with them.
Many, many, many questions.
Hit me with them. Come on now.
Dude, I don't think you're prepared for this.
Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready.
All right. So, hit me with this. If you were
Yep.
a complete noob, like
Yep.
majority of people who are going to be like trying to gain information are
Watching
starting
this.
from a course from a new point. So, where would you recommend to go besides like this live stream, of course, to like learn this type of information? I remember you telling me earlier you can't just depend on YouTube videos. You have to go to like the
Yeah.
actual
Okay.
successful people, their
Yeah.
writings, and find what they have.
We're gonna get into a big rant if I start talking about YouTube traders. Now that I am a YouTube
Not
trader, I can't hate on them too
not
much.
no, not YouTube trading. Just like where you would recommend finding, obtaining this source, this information originally. Like where did it originate from?
Are you trying to get me to plug my book?
Dude, I mean, you don't have to be so obvious. You don't have to be so
Guys, I have a
obvious.
book. Guys, I'm writing a book. It's not even out yet. I am writing a book though.
You can pre-order.
You're funny. You can't pre-order it actually.
We'll set that up later.
Yeah, we can start plugging it after it's published. But in the meantime, while you're waiting for my book to get published, um, what Keegan said, really, you can't. It's so funny. He tried to get me to. I appreciate the layup. I appreciate the layup, dude.
Yeah, no
Would have come in
problem.
clutch if it was out. But yeah, don't trust anybody that isn't qualified. And really be quite rigorous when you're looking at people's qualifications. The the biggest trap I think a lot of new traders fall into and end up failing is just these people that are telling you the truth, but they don't know what they're talking about. Like they're people that aren't saying you'll get rich quick. They're people that saying like you can't trust the people that say get rich quick. But they somehow they always seem to slide in like or imply that they're the exception. Like you can't believe all these other people promising 80% win rates with 4,000 RR. Um, but then they're like, anyways, back to our 15 RR trade and our 92% win rate strategy. Just be very scrupulous. You can't trust pretty much anything on the internet anymore when it comes to trading. So, really, if you want to be dead on, only look at people that have been successful before you, their household names. Even if they're not household names, they're Google names. Google doesn't know your weird anchor money, never win or never lose trading academy. Google doesn't know that. Google knows like George Soros and like, um, dude, I Kulamaji, that one woman trader. That feels bad to say that. I forget her name. It's German, I think. But really look at people that you aspire to be like. You don't aspire to be like these YouTube traders. You don't aspire to be like me, I hope. I'll help you get to where you aspire to be. But yeah, really, really focus on the people that have proven track records and kind of even further than that have serious exposure at a national or global level. Because even you can fake a lot of stuff nowadays. Brokers can help fake successful spreadsheets of like, wow, you're such a good trader. I mean, prop firms can fake for you just these huge wins. I won this funded account with 2 trades or something stupid. Like I made 26 grand off gold just off this random trade that has no confluence. I just had a gut feeling. So on a 5-minute chart, I over leveraged my account 10 times and I made $40,000. That's not how you trade. That's how you get broke real quick. You might have a serious big win before it happens. But I mean, it's kind of like playing. Hey, what's that one system called on a roulette?
Russian roulette or like roulette
No,
roulette?
bro. On roulette
Uh,
roulette. The one where you keep doubling. What's it called?
I don't know the name of it, but man, I know the system. Like you just, it's a very good system too. I don't
Shut
know the
up,
name of
Keegan.
it.
You're gonna make a lot of people lose money.
I mean, I'm just saying, like, do your due diligence before you trust anything anyone says on the internet. But
Yeah. Martingale. Kind of doing that is just a martingale system where you're gonna get wins, you're gonna lose, you're gonna be like, oh, I gotta make it double back now to accommodate for that, and you still have no strategy, so you just keep losing more and more until you get woo big win, and then losing more and more, and then losing more and more, and the big win never comes, and everything's gone. So you can keep going into more of that, Keegan, about how to not trust anybody.
okay.
I don't want to
So
take.
the main thing is, no matter what you hear, it might sound right, it might sound or like you might even align with your own like personal bias, like confirmation bias. We all know what that is.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
most important thing
that's
that
a
you
big
can
one.
do is like in any, especially in like the form of like trading and forex, it's very, very, very important because there's so much misinformation out there. So many people trying to sell you a signal. Never trust a signal. Never buy a signal.
Never buy a
Like
signal, bro.
that's just, I mean, that's just a waste of money. Trust me. The
Yeah,
There's so many people that just
here,
want.
let
What's
me
up?
talk a little bit about signals real quick.
Okay.
It's very short. The people that are selling you signals, very often, if they're selling it to you, oh, if they're giving it to you, it might be good, right? If they're just flat out giving it to you, it might be good. It's always terrible to have to rely on somebody else to make your own wealth. I don't understand why you would get into trading and then settle for trading off of somebody else's signal for the rest of your life. That makes no sense to me. Trading is like, this is the one freeing profession, one of the few freeing professions where you're making all of your own money and you're working completely for yourself. So why are you letting somebody, first, like, the logic's just flawed. Why are you letting somebody else support your entire life? That's not what trading's about. Um, but second off, if they're selling signals, they buy it from a company. They're not typing in these things to send you. There's a company that produces these signals off of EAs that may or may not work. They'll produce EAs, right, custom tailored to whatever the trader has been talking about or whatever the company like specializes in, or just a random one they want to try to work and see if it works. And it's like a social experiment. They'll sell it to you and they'll see if you guys have success or not with it. Oftentimes, I mean, it doesn't work. Like, very oftentimes they provide a system that's just completely flawed. Sometimes they'll provide a system that actually works. It's a proven system, and I mean, I guess I can't really have any qualms about it because it's a proven system. You know, it's pretty much just trading like how I'm trading, except it's a robot sending texts like your Telegram channel. And I mean, if you're making money on it, who cares, right? Great. But I mean, one, you didn't do anything to earn that, right? That's not what trading's about. And two, if enough people start using the same system, the system's useless. There's no point. Everybody thinks the more people who are into a system, the stronger the system's gonna be, right? Oh, it's real low, so if I can get so many people to buy in right here, it's buy. But no, the people that are in a system with you don't want to win with you. The people that are in a system with you, they want their money. They want your money. They don't want everybody else's money with you locked arms. So again, don't be dumb. There's no such thing as free money. Anyways, you can keep going, Keegan.
Okay. Where was I at?
Don't trust anybody. You're saying.
Oh yeah, especially like a lot of YouTubers. I'm not trying to call anyone out, but a lot of YouTubers,
Yeah,
not even
don't.
just
Please
signals,
don't,
but just
bro.
like
Please do
just
not
like
call
trading
anybody out,
rooms,
bro. They're gonna ruin me.
premium telegrams, premium Discord servers.
Yeah.
I mean, guys, don't buy into this. This is just, it's so blatantly fake. You're not going to make money off doing this.
Yeah.
I mean, you're just throwing your money away at that point, and you could have been spending it on anything else. Besides, you're basically just burning it, lighting it on fire. throwing it into a fire pit
Check this out,
completely
guys.
intentionally.
Instead of buying a course for $2,000 from somebody that nobody really has ever heard about, why don't you buy a book from like Warren Buffett for like $20? It's just a thought.
That's deep.
It's just a thought, man. Why do so many people feel the need to spend like $1,000 for a quality education, bro? I don't know. I'll get it. I feel like I should go into like dissecting gold.
Dude, I might have to hop
hate-
off the stream for tonight.
You're hopping off?
Yeah, I might have to in a second.
Okay,
I gotta go to work.
I'm done, bro.
That was a success.
That was a solid success, bro. I can't wait to wake up and see this has 4 million views.
I'm excited.
Anyways, guys, that's the analysis for the Australian dollar for December 17th, 1 a.m. Let's get ready. Market opens in like 15 hours. Peace. Say bye.
Goodbye.
Nice.
Dude, I don't really